Well, hello guys, legoshowtv here, and I just want to tell you I am going to be streaming Minecraft. I figured the best way I could do this is if I tell you about a streaming site called Mixer. It is where MC Admin, your MC Admin, the guy I watch a lot, does his streams, and yeah, it is a very cool site, and I want to grow my fan base on there so that I can start streaming more on it, and maybe actually create a channel based around just Mixer stuff. But yeah, um, maybe create a channel based around that sometimes. And I really want you to go watch on there. Go watch when I stream. Follow me. Turn on notifications. I may even make, if you're nice, I may even make you moderator on there. So if I get a crazy good fan base, that you can help me moderate. The only moderator on there right now is my friend Bryce Films, who is also a moderator on here, or admin, and admin. So yeah, please go follow me on Mixer at legoshowtv1, and yeah, I really hate trying to navigate in F5 mode, but yeah, go follow me on Mixer, please. Go follow me on Mixer so that I can start a thing there. And yeah, that's about it for this video. So please comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on Mixer. I will link it in the description. And yeah, follow me on Mixer, turn on the notification, and yeah, see you next time, I guess. Bye.